Alrighty, let's make a recording. Alright, Cooper.
So we've got bigger wheels, better suspension, better steering. So I've tightened up the suspension too. Alright, so this is a Toy World car, $130 from Toy World, 2-wheel drive, comes with battery, everything ready to go. It's a hex on all 4 wheels, so it was quite easy to change the wheels out. We can pretty much put any wheels we like on there. Alright, so I'm going to drive one-handed, watch this. Alright, so the top speed now, a much better top speed. Takes a while to get up to top speed. Much easier handling. Here it comes. Rock and roll. Always does a good donut. Woo! Right, so there we go, running much better. Alright, so there you go, working much better. Bigger, badder wheels, goes faster, and it handles better. Tighter suspension, good stuff. Alright, bye.